Here, we working. Yeah. This is the guy.
The team's already here. We can park.
Oh yeah, the team is already here. Oh, I see some other subies. We in this thing. Y'all know what the fuck going on? We going down. Oh my god.
I know, Baller Daddy. He just pulled up.
Oh, they got our cousin right there. That's our cousin right there. Oh, the cousin. We got two cousins. What's up? My boy, Dan! This shit bust on God. Shout out to our boy Cobra Dan.
Oh God.
Listen, our boy just got a new Porsche. His shit hot as fuck.
Bust.
Oh, I saw this on the freeway. Got pulled over earlier.
I
don't think there's no
room in the first row. We taking over the second row of the meet, guys.
Like we might have.
Oh man,
this shit crazy.
Oh, SC.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, boy. Droppy. Ooh, with a turbo kit. Nasty.
GTR.
Oh, GTR. Oh, you see the Beamer? Oh man, we got a bust down on them. What? They know our name.
It's got the F-150.
Oh, look at the Miata though.
Yeah.
I need it. I need it.
I messaged this guy too.
Yeah.
Playing.
It's all good. This shit is funny.
Some more Skyline.
We go Nando.
Eddie,
fucker.
Hey, what's up, bro?
He's in all our videos. He's a little fucker. Finally got out the car. Let's look at the motherfucking, what's it, CRX? Hey, isn't this our boy?
Yeah.
They know what the fuck. Hey, they know what the fuck going on.
That's a GT right there.
Shout out to our boy Tubbs. He's
Right here. What's poppin'?
Ready.
What's poppin'? We're here at Cre8tive Garage. We're looking at the cars. We out here.
How you feeling so far? Oh, we hear my boy right here. This thing's buzz.
Oh yeah. Yes sir.
This is Cre8tive Garage approved.
For sure.
We approve this message. We're gonna go over here to the Prelude. Big Ego. Obviously they got a big ego because you can see the big ego sticker on the front of their window. It's pretty fire though, fuck with it. A little old school. Scion. Got the SI. And then all our dickhead homies, all their cars are right here. If you're a dickhead, you parked in the middle. So 1, 2, we're just kidding, we love you guys. You guys see the rims. Ooh wee. Y'all see it. Oh yeah. Woo! He said, pick her up, then I tuck and dip.
Oh, he got a little drift fancy.
You see the blitz?
Oh yeah. Oh.
X wheel specs.
What's up, fam?
What's up, my guy?
What's up, man? How are
Talk
you?
to the camera. What's your name? Where you from?
So, from Vegas.
Okay.
Yes.
What are you doing here? How you feeling? What do you drive? How do you know Jay Fresh?
Ooh, Jay Fresh.
Yeah.
I pulled over one time and he pulled right behind me and we was like, oh shit.
Yeah, we were neighbors at one point, so I was like,
Oh,
I just met him
okay.
when I was in the Zuby.
Okay,
He was like,
okay.
I like your car. I was like, I like your car. And then we pulled over and we exchanged information. And
Okay.
ever since then, been homies.
Hey, we got a low
Oh,
rider
and I
right
saved
here.
his ass when
At
he
the
was
library.
Yeah,
Oh, that was
yeah,
him. That was you in the
yeah.
library when we pulled up. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
There's the WRX right there.
Real grocery getter. Fire. You see it? Woo!
You don't deliver pizzas, but he will deliver the fire vibes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
If you need
All the way.
the fire vibes, he got it for you. He got it for
Got it,
you.
on delivery.
Everybody.
I see the wheel specs. They different. Here we just showing off the good whips and shit. So this is for all the 4-door daddies who want to pick up their ladies and the kids. They just looking good out here today. You know what I mean? Woo! Oh yeah. See the bike? I low key want a bike. Don't tell nobody, but I want one.
This is like the hottest Camry in the game right now. That's really
That's
talk
TRD?
about.
Shit got a real
No, it's
underglow. His
XSE.
shit
It's the
buzz.
top model, though.
It's the top model. You see him? Don't ever play him like that. Top model.
XSE.
Woo! Camry guys. Shit buzz. Hey, I like this bike. This Kawasaki right here. This shit fire.
I like how it compliments.
Hey, and then shout out to our homie K-Way.
Oh, this shit say Pornhub. Hey. Bro, come on.
Yeah, Pornhub.
That's lady right there. We do that.
Might not pick it up, but can you see it? If you can, you can.
That's crazy.
How you
man.
feeling so
Yeah.
far?
We're gonna go. We're feeling good. Feeling good.
What kind of car are you thinking about getting?
I think I'm gonna keep it a secret till December.
Okay, he said he gonna keep it a secret till December.
Because we're buying it.
Oh, he said he's buying it.
We're buying it. They keep saying don't buy it, it's too much money, but we're buying it. Just fuck it.
Hang on.
We here.
For my boy. You know, shout out to my boy. Alright, cool.
It's funny.
Oh, hey, you were at that cruise that one time.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember you.
Oh, what's up? It's my boy. You know, it's my boy. We in the building. How you doing?
Got the car
Woo! Our boy got the fire right here. You see our boy out here? Ah! Woo!
No, that's a wrap.
Yeah, he's over there. It's not a wrap. Tell him it's not a wrap.
It's not a wrap.
It's paint. We know it's paint.
How's it look now though?
It's fire. This shit
I
buzz.
got the exhaust done too.
Okay, he been working. He got some shit since he's been gone. Like,
And I got my ECU and it shoots flames and pops like no fucking more.
oh my God, you got a tune. This boy got an ECU. He out here moving shit. He been working. He been working.
We good.
Yeah, you been really working on this bad boy.
Camera, that perfect camera equipment in the front though.
Woo! Hey, you been really building this motherfucker.
No more.
Oh, look at our boy Ethan. Ethan's in the building. What's up, man? Woo! We chilling. We just filming for another vlog for our people. You know how we like it. You know how we do. We out here. How you feeling today?
Great, man. We had a good time.
Jay Fresh is over there eating fucking tacos right now.
Oh, he's taking advantage. Okay.
Yeah, he said I got 8 tacos. If anybody wants some, I said no, I'm good. I just ate before I got here and shit.
Okay.
I don't really be trying to eat like other people's food like that, you know what I mean? So I just stay away from it and shit. I made up an excuse. Y'all know if y'all watching this, you know what's up. boy likes the Mustangs. He over here in the Mustang section. He said, damn, the GT350. Wow. Miata boys.
Yeah, you want to be inspired.
So I'm gonna need you guys, because I know y'all still watching. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that like button. I'm gonna need y'all to drop a comment. Look, tell us what's your favorite car that you've seen so far tonight. I just need to know that. Really, just what's your favorite car is that you've seen tonight, and tell us why. Oh shit, shout out to our boy Trunks and shit. You seen Trunks right from the last episode? Here goes this fucker right here. What's up, fucker? Oh, it's poppin'! It's our boy, it's our boy. What you doing? We here.
Hey, where's my other boy at? Hey, that's a sick shirt.
He's over there. Oh, thanks, man. He's over there eating some tacos. This dude gave him some tacos. He eating tacos and shit. Boy, oh, look. And for those who don't know who Trunks is, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick walk around his car. He has a car that's very different. A car that you don't see around a lot. You see the car around, but this type is, whoo, that droppy. Y'all see it. Y'all seen it before if you watch our other videos, but my boy got the droppy. Not gonna lie to y'all, this is probably one of my most faves out here. His shit bust. He got the low key quips. His shit different. His fitment different.
I might find one of them.
I'm gonna give you guys a GTR shower. I'm just gonna shower you guys with pure GTR love today. For all the GTR lovers, I know that the light is a little tore up at the location that we are at. It is currently bad, but this GTR right here has a carbon fiber hood. This GTR is fire. Wow. We are currently looking for Jay Fresh. Wherever he is, Jay Fresh looking ass. We don't even know where he at. We pulled up with him and now he disappeared on the nigga. Like, wow. Can't even believe it. Hey, I just want to let y'all motherfuckers know too. To all y'all, all the lovely subscribers out there, I just want to let y'all know, for real. We appreciate y'all, and we wouldn't be able to be this far without y'all. And we want to tell y'all that at this point, by the time that you're watching this video, we have officially hit 1,500 subs. I know that may not be a lot, but we've only been taking this, we've only been consistent with our content for 2 months. This is big to us. We're pushing every day. We're getting content ready for you guys. We're building these cars in the background. We hope you guys enjoy. We have a lot of ventures that we're gonna go down that are, you know, we talk about every day. So I want you guys to be ready for it. But just know that we hit 1,500 subs. So if you're watching at this moment, say congratulations to 1,500 subs, so we know you're still here.
1,500 subs, 1,500 subs. You don't got 1,500 subs, but you know who does? Cre8tiveGarage. So you want to get them to 2,000 subs. What are you doing? Lagging. Just watching. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We out here at Stubbs 420 in this bitch.
Y'all see us. We out here. The Cre8tiveGarage way. We'll check in soon. Evo power. This is crazy. Hey, have you seen my brother?
No, where's he?
I don't know. We lost him. I haven't seen him in days. Look at that. We got here, and after we got here, we haven't seen him at all. Like, he is gone.
Hey, I want one of those.
Evo?
I want an Evo.
He says he wants an Evo.
I want an Evo. They say that what I originally want, I'm still getting it, even though they say it's too much. But we're gonna get something light, and then I'll just hit you with that in December. That's something, you know.
Is that you?
The meat is so big. Oh,
bro, somebody just broke a whole diffuser.
Hey.
Unbelievable. Like,
oh my god.
It's ridiculous. Where the fuck have you been at? We've been looking for you all week.
Lost between all these cars. It's crazy.
We lost him. We don't know where he was.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I've been looking for you. We walked all the way to the other side. Like, we look crazy out here.
It was bad.
Oh, I gotta talk to you.
Okay. This is at PCXSU, and they both rocking the Model T5. Fire.
Woo! Yeah, bud. Woo!
Yes, sir. Yes, this is what I needed right here. Okay. The chaser. What's up? The Volkswagen team right here. This is Gunshot Daddy right here. This shit buzz. Oh yeah. This is the boy. His shit get the whole neighborhood woke. Call him. My God, it's the 2. It's the real deal R34 GTR. Let's go. This thing is crazy. Oh my God. Woo. Yes sir, yes sir. This thing is clean.
I had to pull up on him real quick.
Woo. That's a real GTR. Bro.
Pulled up, made my appearance. You can't sit with us without clearance. That lame shit, never let it near us. And yo,
you guys are like the craziest couple. Like, you just got like the S14, another S14. Now we got a 1J350. Like, what is the? Now you got a Beamer. Oh my God.
All right.
He has a Beamer, and then my dad has a Beamer. And my dad has a 1J2.
Bro, it's like it's just crazy. You saw I got this right there. It's crazy. Not messing with me. Crazy. Damn, Mr. Love Doctor. This is what? Woo! This shit goes. Lovey. Lovey.
So you would have to buy one and then bring the motor out of this.
Heartbreaker. It busts so heavy. Dual guy hand tie, that's crazy. Fine. Gosh. This JCX90 is crazy. Holy shit. 1J, 2J?
1J.
Nice.
Smog ready? Huh? Smog ready? There's Dirk Sam, so you don't need a smog. Fuck the smog.
Yeah, 3 inch all the way, no cats.
Perfect.
Fuck yeah.
Just the
bro.
way we like it.
Yeah, right, exactly.
It's the only way to hear it.
For the video or what?
Hey, yeah, you know, if you don't mind, we'll take it. We'll take
Put you in the
it.
video, don't trip.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, here.
Throw it in. Hey, you know what, man? We appreciate you. The car goes hard all day, every day. I'm gonna go ahead and give you one of these.
Appreciate it.
You can scan it with your phone. You know, say right to our channel.
Appreciate it, dude.
Hell yeah, no, appreciate you. Thank you so much. There you have it, folks, right there. JCX90 going hard, going crazy every day on baby. And it is the Tour V. It's the real deal. The only way to find it, Holyfield. So, you know, if you want to see more of this, go ahead. I'm going to put his Instagram below.
I don't have Instagram.
Well, he doesn't have Instagram, but, well, you know,
You'll find me around here.
you'll find him somewhere. It's all good. Every time, all the time, y'all be playing, y'all playing. Like, shit crazy. Bro, how you feeling? You ever pulled up to something like this?
I never pulled up to something like this, but there's some heat coming soon. Like,
boy, yeah, it got you amped. It got you ready. I'm trying to tell you, it's different.
Over. You guys are gonna be like, hey, who's that guy over there? Oh,
bro,
that's Tubbs. You
oh my god.
Gap you.
Gavin.
Just wait.
You said just wait on it.
You think I'm bullshitting, but just wait. I'm coming for all you. All you right here in this lot don't want it.
Ah, it's crazy. Boy, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Why is it? So let's talk about it. We pulled to the meet. Shit crazy. We got.
When is there not shit going crazy?
In every video, I swear to God.
I swear.
It's a whole movie. Oh my God.
We're all gonna die. Cops are gonna be like, haha, guess what, fuckers?
It's over. Oh yeah, you already know. Charger daddy. Oh God. Every time. Every time. Baby, oh, his shit crazy. Yeah, that's dangerous. Oh my God, the tire pop. I thought I got hit. I had to get up out of there. Now it's just too much. This is, see, yeah. Hey, low-key, this is things when like things low-key turn for the worse, but it's tight. Because honestly, in every type of event, we still have yet to get the cops called on us. Yeah, my bad. You're gonna be going home with some extra shit, but it's okay.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. You already know. It's that nighttime shit, but man, I'm gonna tell you right now, it is crazy. God. Yeah, we gotta.
There you have it. I'm here with Jerry.
We gotta cut it out. This is crazy. John? Yeah, I think my boy's right here, so you're gonna dip out. It's crazy.
Let's go!
ASAP.
Bad, right now.
Bird. They're out.
Okay.
Oh, look at this.
They are out of here. They are gone.
Hey, I'm kind of with y'all again. What's up?
Oh, hey.
I'm back in this bitch, back in battery. You feel me? I'm on my dickhead shit. I've been getting footage. So, I got the 411 for you fuckers. So, you remember that motherfucking, what you call it, R32? It blew up. Shout out to my boy Nando. He ripped it so hard, he blew a clutch fan, and then it blew some shit out.
He had a cool drift in the background. I hope we got it, but it's okay. I'm gonna replay it if I could.
Shout out to my boy Nando. He ripped it so hard, he blew his clutch fan up, man. Wake up,
Damn.
it's 2020.
It's over. No, I'm just
over.
playing. Shout out to you, Nando. You know, I know you watch us, but you know, we like to make sure you know you good.
Yeah, they're over there.
That's a nigga on a motorcycle, bro. It's a regular nigga.
Oh.
None of them cop.
Are you guys out for tonight? Alright. Hey, we caught this guy in the other video too. He was in our cruise video.
He said, no, we're moving away. Like, niggas are scared of that spot. Like, they said, hey, Juliano. Hey, Juliano.
Oh, baby. Yo, shout out to Big Nasty. Hey, I don't even know if you watch our videos, but you always in our videos, bro, with Big Nasty, just heavy. Ah.
Oh, we got some more street war here in the spot.
Yeah, shout out to Chuck Gang. Yes, sir.
1927. I love this one. This is fire. This shit fun. Fuck with it. I fuck with it. He got the wall too. Somebody calling me my phone.
They got fire.
And then we got the fireworks. What? Oh, nice. Got some new neighbors while I left. Someone left some water by my car, I guess. That's cool. Little GTO, little FRS, and the baby.
What's your boy Tubbs?
Oh, yeah, we didn't
Is
hear.
that David? David? That ain't David. Team Monsoon shit.
Oh, he got some extra shit going on. We pull up every day. Shout out to the gang. All right, hey, we in the second lot. We in the second lot. We in the second lot over there in the back. All right, cool. Pull up on me. What up? Hey, what's poppin'? You already know what's up. Hey, pull up. Follow cam. Okay. We got the boys here. Hey.
Hey, all our niggas got turbos.
All the niggas got turbos. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. Oh my God, it's Cobra Dan. He got the new Porsche. What's up? What's up? You already know what's going on, bro. Talk to us. Talk to us.
What's going on, bro?
So, bro, we know you got the new Porsche. It's crazy. It's great. How do you like it?
Dude, I love it. It's my dream car, so
Oh my God.
I'm enjoying it. You know, it's a perfect car. 997.
He got,
Best.
bro. He got a 997. It's
Really
crazy.
bossed up on that.
Yeah, bro.
They really bossed up. That was some real
Gas.
cray-cray.
Yeah.
I'm Tubbs, bro.
And
Nice
it's
to meet you,
thick.
dog. I'm Dan.
Oh, my boy
Nice to
got
meet
the
you.
Porsche
Yeah,
and
yeah.
stick. Whoa.
Crazy.
It's my dream car, bro. I was telling him it's
He
my
said he
dream
made it
car.
happen. He made it happen.
Subscribe to the YouTube. G.
Okay.
That shit is crazy, bro.
Yeah, Mr. Ka-chow.
Yeah, people are like, bro, we want to come to Vegas and link up with y'all.
Ooh, this dude crazy. Look at him. Oh my God. Crazy, bro. Crazy. I just seen it rolling around here.
I'm gonna have to.
Bro, this is my favorite S14 behind you. I'm trying to tell you right now. That girl right, or that, you know, I'm not sure it's a.
This guy's car.
Oh my God, you're right. Whoa. Let's talk to him. Oh my God.
Talk to this man about his car, man. He's
Bro.
had his car for a long time.
It is nice to meet you. My name is Jared. First of all, nice to meet you. Can you tell me a little bit about your S14?
Shit, I've had it for about 9 years.
Okay.
I've probably driven it less than 10,000 miles in those 11 years.
Okay.
And it's got 17 degrees of negative camber in the front.
Yo, the fitment is wild. It's wild. It's really wild.
Yeah, this is the second time it's been out since 2017.
She is a beauty.
Thank you.
I want to let you know that, sir. Well, I thank you so much for giving us your time. I want to go ahead and hand that to you. You can take that, scan it, send you right to our page, man. We appreciate you and the team. Bro, this is Kalen's car. His S14 is crazy. He said 17 degrees of negative camber. Boy, just look at how it sit. This is, you know, right now, he's tugging. It's under there, like, that's for sure. But I'm trying to tell you. And then right here, it is there, like, that's wild. But you know what? Fitment is crazy and it's on point. It looks so good. What up, doggy? You already know. Hey, I'm loving the braids, man. Shit fly, shit fly. What up, my dog? Yeah, it's my doggy right here. You already know we are here at the meet, y'all.
Okay. Subscribe to my YouTube. Okay, man. I'll be buying. You need custom clothes.
With the gas, got the doggo. Okay.
Hey, tell him we're coming up.
He knows. Trust me. We got some Thursdays.
Okay. Yeah.
Is that Jonathan? Hey, fucker. Bro, get your chance, fucker. Go ahead. Give us what you got. You ready?
It's my dog. What's up, bro? God, he's here.
Yeah. You know what's up?
Yeah. God. Woo. Wow. Oh my gosh, and they are back. Did you guys know this is female driven? This is the craziest S2K, and you know it just busts different. You know, they got the homie with the E86 and the dude's FD crazy fire. I'm trying to tell you, and he got the tan interior. Let's really talk about it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks so good. This is it. This is the car. This is the dream car. Let's talk about it. This man right here just aired out in front of us. I went to go throw away my water bottle. It was over. He just aired out in front of us. It is crazy. This man is the real deal. He's got some fire ass rims and he got the air ride. Man. Well, guys, what's your name again?
Carlo.
This is Carlo.
What's up, y'all?
Carlo, say what up to the channel. This is Fire NSX. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Stock.
Bro, I love it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It is.
I take more pride in this one.
Oh, really? What? These are both of yours?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, this is my homie from Washington. He came visiting.
What up, man?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, dude. This, you know, you got some really magical stuff going on here. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Hey,
I only had the car for 2 months. It's cool.
oh, I'm taking note right here. You really got the Recaro on point here.
Yeah, no.
And not in one, but
That one
both.
was an accident. That one was an accident.
Accidents? How does accident? What?
It just happened. It was such a good deal. I needed new seats.
You just
Bought
woke up
that.
to some new seats?
Yeah, no, I just
Oh
bought
my
it.
God.
I wanted black.
That's crazy though.
Yeah.
You really got the fire combo here. I really want to, like, you know, just let you know, hey man, you keep doing your thing. I appreciate you for taking the time to talk to us.
Yes, sir.
Oh, and before I go, can you tell us a little bit about the Integra?
This one's just basically how I wanted when I was 18.
Nice.
8 years later, I got my dream build. And I put it together how I wanted it. And low key, what took me 2 years is when I was 18 not having a job to. Now it just took me 2 months.
See,
Low in stock.
if you guys just, you know, take the time, be persistent, stay focused, you can have what you want.
Exactly.
And it's true.
Facts. Like I sold my S2000 just to buy that. Facts.
Let's talk about it. Sold the S2K. Most of you probably wouldn't even sell the S2, or most of you would, honestly.
I'm gonna buy another one though.
So it doesn't even matter. It's coming back.
I told myself it was gonna be a year to buy that. It took me 6 months.
That's what happens when faith, consistency, and hard work is put together.
Exactly.
I appreciate that, man. Dude, thank you so much. We appreciate you.
Take it easy, bro.
Most definitely. We're in the game. Thanks, Chris. Appreciate you. I asked Chris if he can open up the hood for the boys so we can just check it out, because you already know. You the only really SR daddy out here. That shit crazy. Yeah, not really, but it's still hot, yeah. You're the only one with the Z in the SR. Chris, I need a ride in this. What's up? Alright, cool. We're gonna schedule it. We're gonna get it going. I need it, bro. Shout out to Team Regret, man. Really hottest boys out here doing it. Shout out to Cobra Dan. He got the new Porsche. Chris out here in the Swag Daddy 240. You already know what it is, man. It's crazy out here. Bro, you really out here waxing shit. Let's talk about it. Waxing shit. This my guy right here. Okay, Kim. Okay, Kim. Hey, DJ. Kim's about to kill it for you right quick. Kim's gonna kill it for you. He gonna bless you. Okay. That's right, Kim. Let's go. Ah! It's hot. Oh. Yes, sir. Boy, this is the real kimchi right here. What's in your bowl? Tell me. Hey. Boy. Let's go, Kim. That's right. Didi.
I showed him at the.
Let's go, boy. Bro, it's fucking Didi. Yo, shit is whack, bro. What the fuck? Like, it's fucking Didi. I'm fucking weak. Hey, I found Didi. His nasty. Hey, what's up, Daddy? What are you doing here? Whoa.
You see the cop back there?
Yeah, they chased the GTR.
He got away?
No, they pulled over. Stupid.
Oh, I would have kept going.
Yeah, if I had GTR, I'm gone. Fuck it. All right, hey, go park up. He's out. I don't know. You're in the street.
Alright, we parked in the other parking lot.
Yeah, we're in part 2. In the back. Now we gotta go. This guy, boo. He said unlawful something. Now we gotta go.
It's over. He busted it, man. Straight busted shit out here.
Whack. Well, guys,
Is the game over?
it's unlawful for us to pull up to the park and just be ourselves.
Oh, cops are here?
Yeah.
I had a feeling. Hey, start a riot!
He's not having it.
Cop is security.
No, it's a real cop.
Oh, okay, for sure. Well, he has a bigger stick. Oh, okay, bet.
He has a bigger stick. I'm weak. I'm done with you. Peace out. That's the homies.
Yeah, everybody. That should be, y'all be having to be inspired.
Rolling out. Cop is upset. He mad. It's all good. We had a fire meet. Really great. Hey, have a good night, bro. Hey, have a good night, man. Subscribe it up. Subscribe it up. Got you. Have a good night, bro. There we go. Cool. I'll see you. I don't know what the plan is next. I had to pull up to the gas station, got kicked out, so you know we had to regroup real quick. We're here at the Sinclair. We got the 7-Eleven right behind us. Boom. I really don't know what we're gonna do next. It's kind of like really crazy. We didn't expect that, but I lied. It was bound to happen. So most definitely. Hey, you know, it was a good night. Really great. I'm gonna see what else we're gonna get into, but if not, hey, I'm gonna end the video right here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And for all the real niggas out there, we love you. Gotta go.
coach? You can't keep up with the real big dogs? You mad, coach? Stop it, you're in that 5-cylinder, whatever the fuck it is. A 9-cylinder, you still losing. It's a Toyota. My nigga got the pickup on me. My boy is upset. You paid $60,000 for a piece of shit. Take it back. Take it back. It's a real movie out here, buddy. Applebee's!